know why why do I have this sleeve? Listen. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Chelsie Jayy here. Today you guys are gonna be getting ready with me. I'm gonna be trying all new products today. So you guys are gonna watch me trying new products out. There will be a few things that your girl has been using for quite a long time, but I'm also gonna be introducing some new products to my channel. Just some stuff that I haven't tried before, or some things that I got in PR that I'm sure you guys are gonna love. I hope we're gonna love it, because this is gonna be the first time that we're gonna be trying out these new products. If that's something that you're interested in watching, then you should just stay along. Make sure that you subscribe and join my family so that you won't miss a slay with your girl Chelsie Jayy. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So to start, I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their brow freeze. It says this is the styling wax. I don't know why do I have this sleeve? I don't know why I had my little thumb through the sleeve. Yeah, this is going to be the brow wax I'm going to be trying. I'm a little nervous. Before we start, I'm going to make sure that I just get like all the excess oils off my face. I'm going to be taking the Pixi. This is the Pixi Vitamin C Tonic. I highly recommend this. Like, have y'all seen my skin? Girl, it's glowing. I've been using this for the last like 2 weeks, and I've noticed a big difference in my skin. I've also been introducing some more products to my routine. So if you guys are interested in a skincare routine, just let me know. My skin is not perfect. I'm still suffering from like hyperpigmentation. So just keep that in mind. Like, girl, we still trying to find something that's gonna work for us, okay? But I think I may have found something. So I'm just gonna take these little cotton pads. These are the exfoliating ones. I don't know if you guys can see, if my camera is not gonna show you. But they have like texture. You may can see it right here, but it has texture on the cotton pad. I prefer that over just like a regular cotton pad, because it really just cleanses the skin, and I think it helps even it out a lot too. I'm not a skincare guru, girl. I'm not that girl who just knows everything about skincare, but this is just what I've been doing, because making sure that you prepare the skin before you apply like the rest of your foundation and the rest of your makeup is key in order to have like that snatched face, okay? And we all want to be snatched. Like, who doesn't want to be snatched? I don't know. Is it me? Or does it look like it's already making me, you know, a little bit glowier? I could have made that up. Next, I'm going to take my Lineage Lip Sleeping Mask. This is my favorite. Lineage. Hey, girl. Hey girl, hey. You know, I talk about your products all the time. So if you want to sponsor me, then just let me know, because I would love to do a sponsorship with you all. Because listen, this will get your lips together, okay? So next we're gonna move into brows. More than likely I'm just gonna speed through the brow process, other than applying the wax on my brows, because I want to try it out with you guys. I've seen some people just dip their brush into the product. This is what it looks like when you open it. Oh, she's stiff. She's giving edge control, okay? She's really giving edge control. I'm gonna take it up. Oh girl, she gives the girls a lift, okay? Listen, get into this brow wax. Get into it. Hopefully it looks well, like looks really good once I fill in my brows. But just like off first impressions, it's giving what it needs to give, okay? Not the bushy brow. Girl, look at this. We're gonna have to brush this one a little bit back. I feel like this kind of product, you can tweeze your brows and shape them up the way you want them to, because you can see what needs to be corrected. I don't know, for some reason, this is always my struggle brow no matter what I do. Like, I can try to tweeze it and pluck it and do what I need to do, and it just tweeze and pluck, I guess it's the same thing. But I can try to shape them up and it just will not lay right. That's the first new product that we're using. I can say just the initial impression, I really do like it. Alright, so we're back. I did my brows. I'm liking them. I feel like I would honestly use the product again. That's just like from my first impressions. Now, I do feel like it is just a bit waxy in a sense, but it's not bad. Like, it's not gonna affect the product that you're using on your brows. Today what I used was the Brow by Benefit Cosmetics. I've been using this for a little minute and I enjoy it. I like it. So yeah, that's it for the brows. We're just gonna go ahead and move forward. I'm gonna be going in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. You guys know that this is my jam, okay? This is not really new to my channel because I've used it before, but I still do really like it and highly recommend. I even use this on my clients. If you did not know, I'm a makeup artist here in Atlanta. So girl, if you need your makeup done, call me, okay? So yeah, we're just gonna work this into the skin so that everything can be nice and prepped for our foundation. I don't think I'm gonna use a new foundation today, but I also have like new setting sprays. I have blushes that I'm gonna be using today that are new, and then I also have a bronzer that we're gonna be trying, girl. Y'all know I live for Black Radiance medium to dark contour kit. So yeah, let's move on into foundation. We're gonna go back in with the Fenty hydrating foundation. Fenty girl, I love your products. Just want to say that. And then I'm also going to be mixing it with the, I'm not sure what number this is. I wish I could tell you guys. But this is Maybelline Foundation. This is their Matte Fit Me. I took the label off. Why? I don't know. Sometimes I do that. And then I bought a little pump to go inside. You know, tried to make it aesthetically pleasing, but now it's dirty, so it didn't help. So yeah, you guys, I'm just going to mix this up because the Fenty hydrating foundation is in the shade 350, and I want to say that the Maybelline is in the shade 365. Yeah, I'm just gonna mix this up and apply this to the skin, and yeah, we're just gonna blend everything out. So this is the foundation. I don't know why it's looking red on camera, but right here it looks fine. I don't know, but we're gonna move along, okay? So next I'm gonna take the Makeup Forever. This is the Matte Velvet Skin. This is one of my favorite concealers right now. At first, I did not love it, honestly. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It wasn't the best to me. I just felt like it was just not that good. So I'm gonna be mixing that with the Maybelline Matte. This is the Fit Me. Yeah, this is the Fit Me concealer, and I'm also throwing in just a little bit of the Benefit Cosmetics, the shade 6.5 from Benefit Cosmetics. I'm just taking this little concealer brush from Laura Mercier, and I'm just blending it in, and I'm going to apply it under my eye. I'm also going to let it sit a little bit because I've noticed just letting the product sit, it just makes it a lot more flawless, a lot more full coverage, and yeah, girl, we like that. So we're here, okay? You guys know I live for a full coverage makeup look, and this is how we get that, okay? You guys, I've been wanting to do something different with my hair. Drop some ideas below because I'm going to be looking for some new hair, okay? I'm looking for some new hair because I'm tired of the curly, I'm tired of the blonde, I'm tired of the short curly. I just want to completely redo my wig collection, respectfully, because I'm just like, you know, you ever know when you get tired of something and you keep looking in the mirror and every time you get ready, it's like, it's not really hitting no more like it was at first. Like at first it was hitting, okay? And now I'm getting tired of it. So I need some ideas. I also need some suggestions on hair companies. I love Kendra's Boutique, like fire. Okay, fire. But I'm trying to look for some other places that I could get some hair. Also, by the way, I'm using a new beauty sponge. I just put it on my face. I'm sorry. I was just getting excited about the hair. But this is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. It's really, really soft though, y'all. So just keep that in mind. You may have to really keep your fingers on it to keep a good amount of control on the sponge. But so far, so good. But yeah, y'all, I need a new look. I want just a new look in 2020, but I want something in 2021. But I want something like long and sleek. I think that's the look I'm going for. Or I may just wear my own hair, because y'all, I have really, really thick hair, and it's so thick. I feel like I have like maybe 4A, 4B hair, and it is thick. If I can find a picture, I will insert it on the side, or if I can find like a video or something of my hair so you guys can see. But moving on to contour, I'm going to take the Anastasia foundation stick. This is my girl too. I've used this before, so this wouldn't necessarily be a new product. I'm just taking this Real Techniques brush, and I'm just blending the product into the skin and getting us nice and warm, because who doesn't love a good bronze moment? So I'm just blending that out. This is a Real Techniques brush. I can't really say I'm a fan of this brush. This is new too. And this is their 004 brush. I saw this in Ulta the other day, so I decided to give it a try. It's okay. It's okay. I wouldn't just say you would have to get it. It was on sale, I think, when I did get this brush. I took my little scarf off because I don't want the line of demarcation right there. As you can see, it's like a line. So what you want to do is just take your bronzer and blend it up onto your lace, because that's going to help. I already put bronzer on my lace like before applying the look, but it just ties it together. We're going to contour the nose using the same product, the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their foundation stick, but we're using it as a contour stick, and it's in the shade Walnut. And I'm just taking a regular blending brush. This is Morphe 456, and I'm going to blend it up into the brow, and that's just going to give you that real snatched look. I'm taking the same e.l.f. This is their sponge, and I'm just setting the face. What? Y'all, look at this. I'm trying to go in between my nose, and I done went everywhere else but there. Oh my gosh. I'm going to be taking the Huda bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics. It's something different. I haven't used a different bronzer in like so long because I'm addicted to the Black Radiance bronzer. Okay, it's okay. It's giving a little bit. Hopefully I don't look gray on camera. Then I'm gonna be mad. Okay, y'all, so next we're gonna move into the eyes. I'm not going like just crazy on the eyes. I think I'm gonna do like a smoky brown vibe though. I think that'll be cute. Just taking this e.l.f. concealer brush. I'm just taking this e.l.f. concealer brush, and I'm just patting everything out. I'm just gonna pat it, and this is gonna act as like a base for my eyeshadow. I definitely need a new hairstyle. I'm sick of the curly. I'm sick of all of that. And I also want to upgrade my wardrobe too. But I want to invest in like some really good pieces so that I can have them for a while, if that makes sense. I'm sure that makes sense. But I want to invest in like some good pieces so that I can have them for a while, so that I will have go-to outfits. Because what is this? Because I'm the type of person that if I like something, girl, I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna wear it 1,000 times. You're gonna see me in the same outfit because I like it, you know? You can relate, let me know, because I will wear something out until I can't wear it no more. I can have a million different black shirts, but I'm gonna wear that one until I can't wear it again. Wasn't you just in that shirt yesterday? That's me. Ooh, it's the brow to nose contour for me, okay? I'm going into the Huda bronzer. I think, is this the name of it? Huda? Okay. I'm gonna just keep doing what I was doing. And I'm taking this Morphe E27 brush, and I'm blending everything up into the brow. I think that's key if you're going for this sort of look, like the brow connected to your eyeshadow type vibe. If that's not what you're into, then, you know, skip that step. Into my favorite palettes, the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia. I'm gonna take the shade Burnt Orange, and we're gonna blend up and out, up and out. This is the shade Rustic that I'm using, and it's where I have my finger at. Hopefully you were able to see. It's still giving like soft smoky from what it looks like. We're going to mix in a little bit of sienna so we can get a little color going in there. Because I feel like rustic wasn't really doing it for us. Oh, okay. Sienna and rustic together, girl. Let's do it. Yeah. So let me show you. I'm using sienna. This shade right here, I've almost hit pan. And then I have this shade rustic that we're using as well. So I'm just going to blend those two. And I'm going just like a little bit aggressively because this is not like a full-on beat. Okay, we're just doing something cute. So now I'm just taking that brush and I'm just blending around. So that everything can be blended. Today I'm trying the Morphe Jet Liner. It's a black liner, black gel liner. But we're going to be using this for our liner today. Just to switch things up, you know. Try something different. Never mind, y'all. I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use something else. This is the Revlon Color Stay Eyeliner. I tried to find a new blush, so we're going to use the Milk Makeup Blush. This is in the shade Work. This is my first time even just opening it. And this is the shade that it's given. You can use a brush if you would prefer, but I'm using my finger. So for mascara today, I'm going to be using the Milk Makeup Kush mascara. It's really heavy, so you can tell that it's like quality. Like the package is heavy. So yeah, I'm going to put my mascara on, then we're going to put on the lashes. And do all that. I always make the craziest faces when I put on my mascara. It's like nothing I can do. What do y'all do to like control your face when you put on your mascara? Because I'm like looking crazy. So for lips, I'm going to take my BFF3 lip liner. We love this liner. So for lip, I'm going to take the Matte Velvet. This is by Anastasia. It's in the shade. I'm not sure what's the name of it because I looked at the bottom, but I don't see it. So we're just going to take this. Ooh, it's really pretty. So we're going to move into a lip gloss. This is my first time, well, probably my second time using this. But this is the Butter Gloss. I haven't used it on my channel before. I do overline my lips to give it that pouty look. I was like, we're missing something. Lashes, okay? So last but not least, I'm gonna take the Benefit Cosmetics. This is their new Professionals Super Setter. I don't know how this is gonna be. This is my first time using it, so we're gonna see. I'm gonna mix it in with the airbrush Charlotte Tilbury. I used this for the first time in my last video, but we're gonna use this again. And she just, you know, she snatches the face, okay? So this is the finished look. Hopefully you enjoyed this get ready with me. I just have on a two-piece outfit from Naked Wardrobe. I'll try to insert a picture. Yeah, y'all, that is the finished look. Hopefully you enjoyed this get ready with me, trying new products out in 2021. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give me a thumbs up, girl. And if you love my content, make sure that you come back. No, don't come back. Don't just come back. Make sure that you subscribe so that you won't miss a slay with your girl, Chelsie Jayy. I love you all so much, and I cannot wait to see you in my next one.